time for fall, I'm going to be making a delicious shepherd's pie. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making shepherd's pie, but not any shepherd's pie. This shepherd's pie is made out of deliciously spiced meat and it's covered with creamy mashed potatoes and it is drizzled with shredded cheese. It's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start by adding one medium onion. This is roughly 1 cup into my food processor. I've just quartered the onion to make it easier to process. I'm also going to add 6 mushrooms, and I'm going to follow this with 6 cloves of garlic. I'm going to process this till it has the texture of ground meat. I'm just going to add some olive oil to my heated sauté pan and I'm going to allow it to heat up. Add in the minced onion, mushroom and garlic and allow it to sauté in the oil. The onion has sautéed and I'm just going to push this to one side and I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. You can also use a lamb or mutton. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of garam masala. For a little kick, I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add pepper and salt to taste and keep cooking the ground mixture, breaking up the lumps as you go. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of grated carrots. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. The tomato puree is going to give this a lovely texture as well as a really nice color. I'm going to follow this with 4 cups or 1 liter of veg or meat stock. And I'm going to cover this and cook it. I'm going to cook this on a low flame and I'm going to cook it till most of the liquid evaporates. Finally, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro or coriander. I have about 10 medium potatoes here and these have already been boiled in their jackets. You will need as much mashed potato as required to cover whatever dish you're planning to bake your shepherd's pie in. I'm going to peel off the skins and then you can just grate it or even just crumble this between your fingers. This is now well mashed. I also gave this the once over with a potato masher. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to mix that in. Next, I'm going to season this with some salt and pepper and I'm going to add 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of milk and I'm just going to add this a little bit at a time, incorporating it as I go. We have our meat and our potatoes and we're ready to assemble. This is super easy. I'm going to get all of my meat into my oven-proof dish And once this is all in, I'm going to pack it down firmly with the back of a spoon. I like my mashed potato to be quite firm as it's going to cook more in the oven. So I'm just going to first take all of the mashed potato and I'm just going to lay down dollops all over the surface of the ground meat. Once you do this, it's fairly easy to connect the dots and create one layer of mash without disturbing the sauce too much. Finally, I'm going to cover the surface with 1 cup of shredded cheese, and into my 350-degree oven it goes, and it's going to bake for 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, this is ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for shepherd's pie. This is my version of shepherd's pie and I love to make it for my family and friends. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget to leave me a comment below. I really love to hear from you, so let me know what you think about this video. Also, be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Till I see you next time, do take care and happy eating. Bye!